7. And Elizabeth of York was born on 28 June 1491 at Greenwich Palace. After the death of his elder brother Arthur in 52, Henry became heir to the English throne. King Henry VIII. Soon after they obtained the papal dispensation required to allow him to marry his brother's widow, Catherine of Aragon. He had 6 wives. Catherine of Aragon was Spanish. To obtain friendship of Spain, one daughter married, divorced. Anne Boleyn to get a son, one daughter, Elizabeth, died executed. Anne Cleves to get help against the Emperor Charles and separated. John Seymour, a son, and help from Protestants. Son Edward died in childbirth. Catherine Howard to favor Catholics. She died executed. Catherine Parr to nurse him in that age, but Henry died first. Henry made himself head of the English Church instead of the Pope. He closed all the monasteries. He started to build a navy, and he often consulted Parliament. Henry VIII, known as the father of the Royal Navy. When he became king, there were 5 royal warships. By his death, he had built up a navy around 50 ships. He refitted several vessels with the latest guns, including the Mary Rose, which sank in 54